girl, hey. So today I am installing a lace frontal wig that comes with baby hairs and a pre-plucked hairline. So here is a clip just showing you girls what to expect with this wig. Now, some of the hair has been bleached, as you can see, but if you go past the baby hairs, you'll notice that the knots on the wig has not been bleached. So I am about to go ahead and bleach the knots on this wig, but I wanted you girls to see the edges on this 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. So this is the type of wig where you should not have to do any type of plucking or customization when it comes to the baby hairs. So as I stated earlier, I'm going to go ahead and bleach the knots on this wig because I want this lace to look like scalp and I want it to look super natural. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots on this wig. So yeah girl, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to start off by blow drying the hair. This is a Kinky straight 26-inch lace frontal wig. A 13 by 4 actually lace frontal wig. Now because this texture is on the thick side, I'm just going in with a blow dryer to help straighten the hair, so that I'm not basically straightening this hair for the entire month because it is so thick. The density on this wig is 150%, but this texture is absolutely beautiful in its natural state. But I am again going to be straightening this hair, so I'm going to finish blow drying the hair and I'm going to show you girls what it's giving after it is completely dry. Okay, and the hair is completely blow dried, and as you can see, the texture has thinned out or is not as thick as it was before blow drying, but it is still a super full, beautiful wig, and this texture is extremely soft. So I'm going to go ahead and section off the hair and then flat iron the hair. But before I do that, I am going to go in with the blow dryer one more time just to make sure I get the roots on this wig because I want this wig to be super flat. So now I'm going to go in with the flat iron and straighten this hair. Okay, girl, so this is what this 26-inch wig is giving, baby. Okay, I haven't worn a long wig in years, but this wig is about to be pretty. So let's get into the install. Alright, so let's take a quick look at this hairline. Again, this hairline is pre-plucked and it does come with the baby hairs. Now, because I did process this hair by adding bleach, it did straighten the baby hairs. Which was curled anyway, so it's no big deal. Anyways, I am going to do a bust down middle part, of course. Now, the only drawback so far that I see is just the parting. I wish it was a more clean part on this wig, but it's not a big deal. I can go in and pluck, but just look at how beautiful the hairline is. I just wish that I didn't have to go in and pluck the parting on the wig. It would just be a lot easier to not have to do this, but again, it's not really a big deal. I can make it work. So anyways, girl, yes, I am pretty much pushing all of the hairs back, and later in the video I'm going to show you girls how to do this wig with baby hairs, just in case you want to do baby hairs. I always do baby hairs with my wig, but today I decided not to do the baby hairs. So here I am just going in and cleaning up the parting space just to get rid of some of the hairs that might be in the actual part. Oh, my bad, y'all. I forgot to mention that I am using some new wig spray, which is so bomb. I'll leave it below in the description bar. It's been circulating around YouTube for a while. I'm just late to it. It's so much better than the Got to Be spray. But yeah, girl, look at the part. I pretty much have cleaned it up pretty good. I will also say, of course, using that hot comb to smooth out the hairline or the hair definitely helped with me being able to see more of the parting space on this wig. So real quick, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer just to make sure that spray has dried and my hairline is pretty much secured. Okay girl, so now that I pretty much have removed all of the lace, I'm going to tie this bad boy down with a Beauty Forever headband. Now I like to do this because it helps the lace blend into the skin and lay down flat, especially once you cut it. Some of the lace can roll up, so just tying it down will help with making sure your lace doesn't look visible and it blends into the skin. So check out this 150% density lace frontal wig. Y'all, this wig is so pretty and full and super soft. Oh my god, I was not expecting for this wig to be this soft. Now when I was washing the hair, the hair wasn't as soft, but of course adding as much heat as I have added has definitely made this hair straight. Now of course I did straighten most of the hair off camera, but I'm just going in and just straightening smaller pieces. So now girl, it's time to take this headband down, honey, and see what this hairline do. Oof, look at that. So yes girl, the hairline looks good on this wig. You definitely don't have to do baby hairs with this wig. This wig is definitely good for someone who wants edges on their wig but doesn't know how to do it, or you know, just don't want to be bothered with the whole process of putting edges on your wig. So girl, this wig is long as hell, but I'm loving it and I'm here for it. So yeah girl, I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten the hair a little bit more, add some concealer, and then I'm gonna come back and show you girls how to do baby hairs with this wig. Y'all, I love this wig with no baby hairs, but because I always do baby hairs on my wig, I want to show you girls what this wig do with baby hairs, especially because this is a wig with baby hairs. So I'm just doing my normal routine, which is pulling out a small section of hairs around the hairline and using a pixie cut curling iron just to flip the baby hairs up, which makes it a lot easier when it comes to swooping your baby hairs and getting it to blend into the skin. I also use the Got2b glue gel just to help swoop the baby hairs in, secure it down. Also using this gel makes the lace more secure too. So as you can see girl, I'm feeling these baby hairs. Okay. Now they are a little thin, but that's okay. To me, it looks a lot more natural like this instead of like the super thick, overly swooped baby hairs. Like, look at how good this hairline looks, y'all. And look at how good that baby hair is. So I'm just cleaning up my sideburns so that it don't look so, girl, a mess with this laid hairline, honey. So I'm just pulling out more hair, making sure that the hairline is clean and there's no hair anywhere, and flipping that bad boy up, adding some gel and swooping it right on in. Okay, girls, so this is pretty much the second look with baby hair. Super natural. Like, honestly, I can say this is one of the best pre edge wig I have ever tried. And I've tried 3 so far, and this one is by far the best. Look at how flat this wig is. Look at the lace. Look at just the amount of baby hairs that was selected to make this swoop. Like, Beauty Forever, y'all did y'all thing with this wig. Look at this beautiful texture. It's super full and soft, and it straightened extremely well. I'm actually keeping this installed in for at least a week, but it is long, so I don't know. But I'm gonna make sure I leave all the details below, because this is definitely a must-have wig, especially if you want baby hairs on your wig and you don't want to go through the whole process. So everything will be below. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.